Hello students, in this video we will look at how to use Desmos to do box plots including outliers. In class we discussed already how to calculate whether a number is considered outlier or not in your set of data. We have these two formulas. The upper boundary is upper quartile plus 1.5 times IQR. IQR is interquartile range. So any data number which is above that, higher or larger than this upper boundary, will be considered an outlier. And on the other side as well, if a number is lower than the lower boundary, which is lower quartile minus 1.5 times IQR, then that data number is also considered an outlier. So let's look at this example here. So on purpose, this data later on will have some outliers, okay? So I will leave the calculation manually to you, so you can do the calculation yourself. Normally, you will need to order the data from lowest to highest. But if you want to just enter that on Desmos, you do not need to do that. But in this case, later on, you will notice that 1 will be an outlier and 16 will also be an outlier. So let's say I will go to Desmos and create a number set. So again, with the squared bracket, and I will just copy the data list that we have. So we have 20 element list, and we will create a box plot on that data, Boxplot C. And here is the button where you can just tick this box or untick it, okay? If you untick that, then clearly if you look at this box plot here, then you see that 1 is the minimum and 16 is the maximum. However, after calculation, we notice that 1 and 16 are the outliers. So if you say, and if you tick this button here, then you see that 1 is actually not included in our box and whisker plot. It's just a separate entity. So this is an outlier, and 16 is also an outlier. And the whisker will go to the next smallest data, right? After the outlier, and previous highest data before the outlier as well. So again, here is the button where you can include or exclude outliers. All right, you can try that. Good luck.